Have you ever typed a quick task into an AI tool, expecting a brilliant, production-ready response, only to receive something so generic and shallow that it felt completely useless? It is a common experience. Most professionals assume AI will automatically deliver expert-level outputs from minimal instructions. We treat these incredibly advanced large language models like mind readers, expecting them to know our specific industry standards, corporate cultures, and personal preferences right out of the gate. This lesson reveals why that assumption creates frustration, and how structured prompting transforms AI from a disappointment into a powerful professional tool. If you have ever felt let down by AI, the issue likely wasn't the technology itself, but rather how the task was framed. Moving from a basic conversational style of querying to a structured approach changes everything. It bridges the gap between getting an automated paragraph of text and receiving high-value, highly specific professional leverage. Let us look at what causes this disconnect. Let's talk about the expectation gap that creates frustration for so many project managers and technical professionals. When many project managers log into an AI platform for the first time, they unconsciously assume that the system automatically understands their unique project environment, their specific business objectives, stakeholder expectations, contract frameworks, reporting styles, and complex technical context. Because of this assumed shared knowledge, they type incredibly minimal, open-ended prompts like write a project report, prepare a risk register, or draft an email to the client. But think about what happens next. What they actually get back are outputs that feel generic, shallow, repetitive, unrealistic, obviously AI-generated, and of incredibly low value to an experienced professional team. The text might be grammatically perfect, but it completely lacks the nuance, technical vocabulary, and commercial realities of an actual project. This leads to a very common, immediate reaction. This AI is not useful for my job. But here is the critical realization. The problem is usually not the AI. The problem is weak prompting. AI models do not possess a crystal ball. They are blank slates at the start of every session. An AI can only respond to the quality, depth, and precision of the instructions it receives. If you feed it generic inputs, it has no choice but to return a generic output. To truly understand this concept, let's look at a direct side-by-side comparison using the exact same AI platform. By changing nothing but the wording of the input, we can see dramatically different outcomes. Look at the bad example first. Entering a generic prompt, like prepare a project risk register. When you give the AI an instruction this vague, you force it to guess every important variable. It has to guess, what kind of project is this? Is it an engineering, procurement, and construction, or EPC, mega project, or is it a small IT consultancy agreement? Are we operating under a FIDIC contract or an NEC4 framework? Are we writing this from the perspective of the employer or the contractor? Because the AI has to make wild assumptions across all of these areas, the result is inevitably weak relevance, generic language, and a poor, unhelpful structure. Now, let's look at how a professional structures the exact same task. You are a senior project risk manager supporting a $500 million international EPC water infrastructure project under FIDIC Yellow Book. Prepare an executive risk register using ISO 31000 methodology with ownership allocation, mitigation actions, and early warning indicators. Look at the massive shift in clarity. By providing this level of detail, the AI instantly has 5 critical pillars: an expert role to embody, a precise commercial context, a clear structural focus, an industry standard methodology, and clarity on who the target audience is. Professional instructions create professional outputs. The model no longer needs to guess. It can immediately deploy its vast training data to match your exact professional reality. This brings us to the single biggest misunderstanding professionals have when interacting with artificial intelligence, assuming that the AI somehow knows your project. Let's break down the fundamental difference between human communication and AI communication so we can avoid this trap. In everyday human communication, when we speak with colleagues or team members, we rely heavily on an implicit shared understanding, built over months or years of working together. If you walk up to a team member and say, "Can you update the report?" they don't look at you blankly. Your team member likely knows exactly which project you are talking about, which report needs editing, the expected template format, who the audience is, and what the current project priorities are. AI communication possesses absolutely none of that shared context. When you open a fresh prompt window, the AI does not automatically know your project type, your specific stakeholders, your program constraints, your delivery model, your risk environment, or your commercial pressures. It doesn't know if you are dealing with a delayed supply chain or a strict contractual deadline. This leads us to an essential key principle. AI requires explicit context, whereas humans often do not. Without that explicitly provided context, the AI has no choice but to fall back on generic patterns, producing bland, filler-heavy, low-value responses that don't help you move the needle. Many professionals try to skip the effort of writing detailed prompts because they want to save time. However, poor prompting can actually waste time, introducing a massive hidden cost into your workday. When you feed an AI a weak prompt, the resulting generic output forces you into a cycle of heavy rewriting. You find yourself spending an immense amount of time restructuring the document, correcting inaccurate factual assumptions the AI had to make, and adjusting the tone to fit your stakeholders before the material is even remotely usable. Furthermore, generic content completely lacks commercial validation. It doesn't account for the contract specifications or local regulations governing your project, meaning you have to spend an extraction phase validating, checking, and reformatting every single line. This results in a frustratingly common professional outcome, where people say, "I spent longer fixing the AI output than doing it myself." This is the hallmark of unclear tasks and missing context. Bad prompting creates rework, adding hours of editing to your schedule. Good prompting, on the other hand, creates true leverage, giving you a highly accurate 80 to 90% draft right from the start. Let's look at the real-world credibility difference between a weak AI output and a professional AI output. Imagine you are a project director reading a report. If an engineer gives you an AI-generated section that reads, "Project risks include delays, weather issues, cost increases, and resource shortages. Management should monitor progress," how would you react? It's completely vague and generic. It contains absolutely zero commercial relevance, offers no clear ownership, lacks actionability, and ultimately destroys stakeholder credibility. It tells you nothing you didn't already know. Now, contrast that with an output generated by a professional, contextualized prompt. Critical program risks include long lead process equipment procurement, marine interface construction sequencing, and environmental permitting dependencies. Recommended actions include procurement acceleration, interface governance escalation, and contingency planning for milestone recovery. Notice the profound difference. This output utilizes strategic language, demonstrates highly prioritized thinking, and provides actionable communication that you can immediately bring into a high-level stakeholder meeting. The difference here is not the AI platform used. The difference is entirely the prompt. To ensure you never write a weak prompt again, let's dissect exactly why generic prompts fail structurally. It usually comes down to 4 missing ingredients. The first missing ingredient is the role. You must ask, who should the AI behave as? Without an explicitly defined role, the AI adopts a generic persona, resulting in a weak perspective and poor entry-level terminology. The second ingredient is the ask. What exactly should the AI do? Without a precise directive, you get vague outputs with an incredibly unclear focus. The third missing piece is context. What project information matters right now? Without this, the AI is forced to rely on generic assumptions, drastically lowering the real-world relevance of its answer. Finally, the fourth ingredient is format, or examples. How should the output be presented? Should it be an executive summary, a bulleted list, or a markdown table? Without specifying this, you end up with inconsistent structures and poor usability. When you combine these 4 missing ingredients into a structured system, they become the foundation of an elite prompting strategy, the RACE framework, which we will break down in detail to help you build highly effective, professional prompts. As we wrap up this look at prompt engineering, the absolute core takeaway is this: AI is not a search engine. To unlock its true power, professionals must shift their thinking completely away from a beginner mindset. A beginner treats AI like a search bar, asking random, unstructured questions, hoping for useful answers, and treating the model as if it were a mind reader, an ultimate contract authority, or an autonomous project manager. This approach inevitably leads to frustration and poor quality drafts. A professional mindset is entirely different. Professionals design structured instructions, guide the AI clearly by feeding it constraints, and review the outputs with an expert, critical eye. They treat the AI exactly what it is: a lightning-fast junior analyst, a powerful document drafting assistant, or a structuring support tool. Always remember this key message: prompting is a core communication skill, not a game of random questioning. When you master this communication skill, you stop wrestling with the tool and start accelerating your project delivery. Let's summarize the vital takeaways from this lesson on why generic prompting fails professionally. First, we must accept that AI does not automatically understand your project context. When you give it generic prompts, you force the system to make blind assumptions. Second, those assumptions directly reduce the relevance and credibility of the output, creating heavy rework instead of saving you time. Third, professional communication requires structured prompting. Providing clear context dramatically improves the tool's real-world usefulness. Finally, prompt quality directly dictates output quality. If an AI response feels disappointing, don't blame the technology. Instead, stop and ask yourself, was my prompt professionally structured? Up next, in Lesson 1.3, we will explore the 5 highest value project management workflows that AI can completely transform, including reporting, risk management, stakeholder communication, contract analysis, and team coordination. See you in the next lesson.